Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best sofas of 2026. Whether you're looking for a cozy love seat, a portable sofa bed, or a comfy floor lounge, I've got you covered. I'll break down each sofa's features, comfort, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is perfect for your living room or bedroom. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed, Dark Gray. L-shaped convertible sofa bed with armrest. Foldable sleeper sofa with pillow. Portable and comfy floor lounge perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. Color, dark gray. This sofa is super versatile. It easily converts from a lounge sofa to a bed in seconds, making it ideal for small apartments or guest rooms. The cushions are soft yet supportive, and the foldable design is really practical. Pros: easy to fold and store, comfortable for sitting and sleeping, stylish dark gray color fits most decor, includes pillows for extra comfort. Cons: slightly bulky for very small rooms. Armrests may feel firm for some users. Next up, if you want something more compact and soft, check out this next Loveseat. Number 2. MAXYOYO Loveseat Sofa Couch, Black. Upholstered beanbag style 2-seater. Boneless couch with tufted cushions and pillows. Sofa in a box, no assembly required. Color, black. This Loveseat is incredibly soft and cozy, thanks to its boneless design. Perfect for relaxing, reading, or watching movies. The tufted cushions give it a sleek look, and you don't need to worry about assembly. Pros: soft, cloud-like seating. Compact design for small spaces. No assembly required. Comes with pillows for extra comfort. Cons: boneless design may not provide firm support for long periods. Best for casual lounging, not formal seating. For a slightly bigger and colorful option, check out this next sofa. Number 3. MAXYOYO 59-inch Beanbag Sofa Couch, Green. Upholstered small love seat in a box. Deep seating for living room, bedroom, office, or apartment. No assembly required. Color, green. This mini sofa is perfect for cozy corners or small apartments. The deep seating makes it super relaxing, and the green color adds a fun pop to any room. Like the Loveseat, it comes ready to use with no assembly. Pros: deep and comfortable seating, compact and portable, easy to set up, no assembly, stylish and vibrant color. Cons: limited seating for larger gatherings. Boneless design may feel too soft for some. Looking for a full-size floor futon with memory foam comfort? Here's a great option. HOMFINE Folding Sofa Bed, Gray, Queen Size. Convertible sleeper chair with pillow. Fold-out couch and memory foam floor mattress. Lazy sofa for living room, dorm, guest room, or home office. Color, gray, queen size. This sofa bed is perfect if you need a guest bed that doesn't compromise on comfort. The memory foam mattress is soft yet supportive, and it folds neatly when not in use. Great for dorm rooms or living rooms. Pros: comfortable memory foam mattress, foldable and versatile, easy to store, comes with pillow for extra comfort. Cons: heavier than other folding sofas, might be too large for tiny rooms. Finally, if you want a simple foldable floor futon with style, Loveseat Boneless Convertible Sofa Bed in corduroy. Boneless foldable couch with corduroy pull-out sofa bed with 2 pillows. Folding floor futon sleeper for living room and bedroom. This sofa bed is super simple but very practical. The corduroy fabric feels nice and soft, and it's easy to fold out into a bed. Perfect for a casual living room setup or a quick nap space. Pros: soft and comfortable fabric, easy to fold and store, includes 2 pillows, affordable option for small spaces. Cons: boneless design may not suit everyone. Limited size for multiple adults. So, there you have it, the top 5 best sofas of 2026. For a versatile L-shaped sleeper, go with the MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. For soft, compact lounging, the MAXYOYO Loveseat or Beanbag Sofa is perfect. For memory foam comfort and a guest bed, check out the HOMFINE Folding Sofa Bed. And if you want a simple, foldable floor futon, the corduroy convertible sofa bed is a great choice. I'll leave the Amazon links in the description so you can check out prices and details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more top product reviews in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.